Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a super fun video. I loved making this. I hope you guys love watching it. Fall, clean, and decorate with me. I know I'm a little late on this. That's for two reasons. One, I live in California and it did not feel like fall until now. And two, I was waiting for a lot of this fall stuff to go on sale at the stores. So I got some great deals and I can't wait to share how I used everything with you guys. Let's get started.
But I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't.
So I'm starting in the living room. I'm just tidying everything up, gonna vacuum the couch, and then we're going to fallify this room. That should totally be a word.
So let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you hurt me bad. It's alright. It's okay, it's alright. I did everything for you, even though you gave me nothing back. I guess that I wasn't enough this time. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time. But I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright, it's okay.
Probably my favorite thing that I used in the living room were these amazing buffalo check pillowcases. I got these on sale at Pottery Barn and I used a gift card that I got for Christmas this summer. So yay, free pillowcases. I love changing the pillowcases on my pillows as opposed to buying pillows, like the actual pillows for each season, because it really saves you on storage space.
I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it, you didn't want it. I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. It's alright, it's okay. I don't need you anyway, so let me be. I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you hurt me bad. It's alright. It's okay, it's alright, it's alright.
Just a reminder that you can always find all the products I use in each video in the description box below. If you have questions about stuff, I would look there first, but if you can't find something there, then leave me a comment and ask me and I would love to reply to you.
It's okay, it's alright. Tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. I guess that I wasn't enough this time.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around.
And here is a great overview shot of the living room. I think this turned out super well. I'd love to hear in the comments what you guys think and if you have any ideas about stuff I could do for next year or even changes I could make now.
like strangers, scream out loud.
Couple tips here. Well, first, I hate eating candy corn, but I think it's really cute, so I love using it as a vase filler. I think it looks really good with fake flowers. And then these flower bunches I got from Michael's, as you can see by the bags probably, and they're really expensive if you buy a ton of really little flowers, but if you buy the bunches, they're cheaper, and then you can cut them up, as I'm doing. I'm using a wire cutter because they have wire in them, and just put them in different bunches and style them however you want, and it ends up being a lot less expensive overall.
But I told you so.
Now we're heading to the console table that's at the top of my stairs. This is sort of a second entrance, if you will, as soon as you come up the stairs.
My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
And if you're wondering where this is in the middle of my staircase. There's just this little indentation in the wall that you're supposed to display like flowers or art or something in. I initially didn't like it when we moved into the house, but I've decided to make the most of it by seasonally decorating it.
Under my tattoos, there's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah, there's a remedy, oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dance into your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
This is the part of decorating that I was by far the most excited for. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that last year I lived in a 900 square foot apartment and we weren't able to put anything on our front door or decorate outside. So I was so excited to finally be able to have a wreath and decorate outside. So I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did.
Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know.
So if you're wondering why I randomly changed clothes, I did not. This is the next day. I got super busy the day before and decided to continue the next morning. So I'm just gonna finish up the last couple of things here.
'Cause they don't know. We'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of
last thing I wanted to decorate was just stick a few fun things in the powder room so that if guests came over and had to use the restroom, the festiveness would not end there. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, click the thumbs up button and like it so that I know to make more cool videos like this for you guys. And if you're new and you want to stick around, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. I hope you enjoyed and have a great rest of your day.
The movies, we gon' do it like they do in the movies. When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we're shiny dust. We gon' do it